Guess she's walking. Hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through a tour of Summit Church here in Lee Summit, Missouri. It's just outside of Kansas City. It is a suburb southeast of Kansas City. But this is it here. We're going to go in that main door there. They actually got a family ministry. Yeah, I guess this is family ministry. There's probably adults there. So they also got restrooms, as you can see right there. So anyway, I'm sure it's for some sort of construction they have here on the weekends or something like that. Anyway, we're going to go inside and take a look at this. I'm going to show you a little bit about the church, a little bit about some of the music, and maybe if you're in the area, you'll consider coming to this church. Who knows? And we're going to be here for a couple of weeks. We might be back next weekend. Maybe not. Anyway, come join us because you just entered the Coolest Life Church Edition. So as you come in, you got to follow Jesus, I guess. I hope so. And there is a coffee bar area down here. That, of course, probably that way is the auditorium. There's the next step for newbies, I would believe. Actually, probably I'll go see them. Maybe they got a free gift. Who knows? Let's go on inside and take a look at the service. Before we go in there, down this way is some nice captions here on the wall. This is actually going toward the children's service. They have good stuff. Contribute more than you consume. Looks like they got electronic check-ins for the kids. Good stuff. Let's go on inside. Big auditorium area. Concrete floors, portable seating. They just simply use it for a lot of different things. Got the sound system up here. Video, my guess is they probably do a YouTube channel too. We're going to find us a seat up front like they normally do.
Give back to our community. It's this thing we like to do. We flip it up. Kind of what we usually do. You raise money to keep it. We're raising money to give it all back away. And this year, we raised $76,000. Right. Yes. And our vision is this. You see it on the walls around the church, but it's that we are a church for our community. And it's really easy to say that. It's really easy to say that we want to be a church for our community. But it's opportunities and weekends like this where we can show you, look what we have done together, the impact that we're going to make together, the impact that we're preparing ourselves. See your good deeds and glorify God. Submit yourselves for the Lord's sake to every human authority, whether it's an emperor or the supreme authority, or to governors who are sent by him to punish those who do wrong and commend those who do right. For it is God's will that by doing good you should silence the ignorant talk of foolish people. Live as free people, but do not use your freedom as a cover-up for evil. Live as God's slaves. Show proper respect to everyone. Love the family of believers. Fear God. Honor the emperor.
Our beliefs and our behavior run contrary to what culture tells us we should be. And it's in that place that we experience the stress of being a stranger. It means living differently. So if you showed up today and you're a follower of Jesus, you may already know this. And my hope today is that I will encourage you to think about the way that you live and how it reflects on your relationship with Jesus out of the world. It's true, it becomes reality. That's why it's so important that we embrace this truth. Following Jesus means living differently. On a turtle, it's like, come on, can we ever get going? And you're trying not to lose your mind because you don't want to be mean, but all you want is to get out of the house. If it took all the patience you had to get to church without a fight in the car, you know what it means to urge. We're saying, please consider. Think about taking this step. We're going to dismiss it as, I messed up, or I was misunderstood, or it's no big deal, or I won't do it again. And we are quick to move on to the next thing. But when we see sin in someone else, it's a bigger deal, isn't it? It needs to be rectified because it's offensive, and I can't believe they would do that to me. And when we ignore our sin, it becomes more frequent and more severe, and eventually it becomes more public. Live such good lives among the pagans, that though they accuse you of doing wrong, they may see your good deeds and glorify God on the day He visits us. You know what He's saying here? He's saying that warring against sin is important to your personal spiritual life. It is. But you know what else He's saying? The way that we live in this world determines how other people experience Jesus as well.
Well, I say the same thing when I leave a church service. That was a good service. It was a good service. It really reminded us of our home church a lot about the way it's set up a little bit. Just presented who speaks when music is going to happen. So it really felt like home for us. So like the church, will we be back? I don't see why we wouldn't be back. I think next week we're going to be going to a different church, but just to kind of check it out also. But we'd highly recommend. We recommend this church. Had a great message. Band sounded great. Several singers all sounded really good. So that was good. That was good. We always enjoy the music. It's part of the reason why we come to church, for the message and for the music. So, but be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like this church, come on down. This is Summit Church here in Lee's Summit, Missouri, just southeast of Kansas City. So we're gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe because we're out here living
The coolest life.
church edition.